Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome back to Beth Does Beauty and my Lookfantastic Advent Calendar unboxing series for 2019. It is the 19th of December. We are getting closer and closer to day number 25 for Christmas Day and to unbox the golden box. So let's jump right in and unbox day number 19. Oh, that's so sweet. It's a mini dropper bottle. It is a Bio-Effect EGF serum for improved appearance of skin. Look at how tiny and sweet that bottle is. I was absolutely not expecting that when I opened up the package. Apply to face and neck, made in Iceland. Isn't that the cutest? Let's have a look and see what the little information leaflet from Lookfantastic says. Bio-Effect EGF Serum. Give skin a new lease of life with this groundbreaking serum. Using a plant-based replica of EGF, this serum reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Smooth 2 to 4 drops over clean and dry skin on the face and neck. Okay, it's a very delicate little professional looking dropper bottle, and I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Now it says put like 2 drops on your face, but obviously for the sake of the back of my hand I'm only gonna do the 1. Well, the tiniest bit goes such a long way. There's not a smell to it at all. It feels like a very lightweight kind of serum. It does feel a little bit sticky, which is something that I personally will not enjoy on my face. I hate that sticky feeling on the face because then I feel like my pores are suffocating and it's gross. That feels really smooth. Like once it sets into the skin, it feels really soft and smooth. I've never heard of Bio-Effect before. I am seriously curious to see what kind of products they make because they look very professional in this little like sciencey kind of dropper bottle. Do you know what I mean? So I need to look into who Bio-Effect are, what kind of products that they make, and what exactly is an EGF serum, because on the leaflet right here it says that this is a plant-derived version of EGF. EGF is something that I don't actually know anything about. I couldn't even hazard a guess as to what it was, and I've never heard of Bio-Effect before as a company. This tiny bottle is so cute. The serum is a little bit stickier than I would like. Anyway, have you ever heard of Bio-Effect before? Let me know down in the comments below if you know anything about EGF. Please educate me because I'm gonna have to do some Googling after shooting this. Thank you guys for watching. Tune back in again tomorrow to see more of the Lookfantastic Advent Calendar, and I hope that you are having a fantastic evening. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!